Hey guys, this is the Turner setup that I have. I run it all through a battery backup and I'm thinking this will help you. So I have them each, there's 26 of them. They each have their own switch and run off of their own motor. All of those switches feed into power strips similar to this. This is just the first one that I could get to. All the power strips then feed into the back of this battery backup that I got from Costco for about 100 bucks. This battery backup will show you battery capacity, estimated run time, which is really good because you know how much time you have to get those epoxies set and cured, your input versus output. There's a few other things it shows as well. Now, whenever the power does flicker, the most that happens is this thing turns direction. So if it's rotating right, it'll switch to left. Whenever the power goes out, this thing will still run for several hours, guys. Just depends on how many turners you have going at once. Again, I got this from Costco for about 100 bucks. I use Mr. Nola's epoxy, and 2 or 3 hours is plenty time to get that epoxy set so that it doesn't mess up whenever the power does go out. So I hope this helps, guys. See y'all soon.